Hey, what's up, everybody? So I just want to talk to everybody about this new app that I downloaded, and I think it's really going to help me with things I have to do every day. So it's called Habitica, like habit, ICA. So it's really meant for like gamifying what you do every day. So you create to-do lists, and then whenever you complete something on the list, it like gives your avatar gold, so you can purchase items and stuff like that on the app. And so it's really nice because you can set. So right now I have stuff that I have to do around the house, like chores that I have to do, basically, like doing the dishes and stuff like that. So I set those up as on a certain day of the week. So I probably have 5 or 6 things that I need to do weekly, and I just put it on a certain day and have it repeat every week, so it's going to remind me. I'll just look at the app and see what I have to do that day, and if I do it, then I'm going to get rewarded in the app. And you can also do like daily to-do lists, where like today I needed to pay the rent, and I needed to ship some eBay items, and I needed to change the battery in my car remote. So I put those 3 things on the to-do list, and I ended up doing all of it before I left for work today. So those 3 things got me rewarded in the app. Now it's not really like real rewards. You're not getting paid, you're not getting money for it, but it's just like it's allowing you to earn gold, so you can just level up your avatar, give it better items. It's really all for looks, but it's just like it's just kind of turning stuff you have to do into a game, where you're getting rewarded in the game for doing stuff in real life. So I think in the future I'm gonna put some reading stuff on there. So I think I might do it daily or every couple days. I'll have to read so many pages of a book, or I might do like every 2 weeks. I'll read a book or something like that. But yeah, I think it's gonna be great. So it already got me. I feel like I'm more accomplished today because I did this stuff. Because I got some stuff done today, I feel like I'm more accomplished, I feel better about myself because I got some stuff done. So that's really it. There's a few apps like this. This is really the only one I've tried. I might try to look at other ones. So see what the rewards are like on the other ones, because this one really has no impact on me in real life. It just upgrades your avatar on the app. So I'm gonna check on that, see if I could actually get some real rewards. I don't know. We'll see. So that's about it. So I would check out the app to try to get some more stuff done every day. And I'll see everybody next time.